Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Marlborough local and long-distance movers near me. When relocating more than 50 miles from your existing property, you'll need experienced long-distance movers to plan and execute the relocation. Our long-distance relocation services are speedy and efficient. Our movers have received extensive training. They take great care of each piece of household item you're moving and meticulously organize and put them onto the trucks. Our moving vehicles are top of the line. They are in excellent condition and include large compartments to accommodate all your things at once. They are also sturdy and protect your belongings. Additionally, our insurance covers risks during the duration of the transfer. Our drivers have received the best training possible and have several years of expertise transporting household items over vast distances. They are familiar with all highway regulations. They travel cautiously and arrive at the agreed-upon time. We have obtained the necessary state and federal permissions from the proper authorities to conduct long-distance journeys. If your move is less than a distance of 50 miles, we provide the most affordable local moving service. Additionally, a local relocation demands appropriate planning. We develop a comprehensive relocation plan that covers the whole moving procedure. We know our way around Marlborough CT, which explains our timely service delivery during local relocations. We are accessible to answer your questions and queries at any time. Also, we form strong connections with our clients. Our local moving services are moderately priced. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. One of the attributes that differentiate us from other movers is our commitment to providing outstanding service at an affordable price. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marlborough moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.